Hey guys, hey. Oh, no, but hey guys, hi, how are you? How are you doing? I'm tired. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm tired. So when I'm tired, I get really hyper. But I wanted to film a haul. Like, it's a small haul, nothing too big, nothing too spectacular. From Asos. This is literally like a spontaneous buy. So I didn't really buy much, but I was like, okay. I'm gonna include a few bits and pieces that I've also bought from like a little bit like towards the end of last year and like earlier this month, just to make it a bit longer and stuff like that. Plus I did see all the clothes that I bought still on there. So I thought, you know, maybe someone out there is watching and they want to buy it but they're not sure. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to put it in there. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. And, yeah, let's get into it. Let's do it. I ain't wearing a bra. Oh my gosh. Let's do it. So I bought this, okay, before anyone sees this and think, why the fuck would you buy that, Ade? Okay, I bought this for homeware purposes, okay? Homeware purposes, okay? My lips are dry. But yes, I bought this two-piece. Yes, I know, like I said, homeware purposes. I like it, it's cozy. And sometimes, yeah, I might even be a little bit cheeky and I just wear the crop top with no bra, let my tits hang out like, eh. You know what I mean? Just let them swing, let them be free. But yeah, I like this two-piece. I wear it at home, but yeah, like I said, sometimes I wear the jumper, but like I just wear the jumper and like I just wear leggings underneath. And like, yeah, I just go about my business, you know? So sometimes I do wear it out. But it was bought for home purposes. Also, I got this other two-piece. I love it just because it says can you guys see what it says on the back? It says Barbie. And like, if you have me on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, like, my name Barbie girl. You guys know I love me a good Barbie. I don't care if I'm a grown-ass woman. Yes, I'm what? Your man likes when I wear this Barbie top. Yeah, I said it. And what? And on the shorts as well. Let me see if you can see. On the shorts as well, it says Barbie. Like, damn, like, damn. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so tired. I'm just so tired. Oh, and disclaimer, everything's literally in a size 28. So, but I also got this two-piece that I wore to church. I wore this on church on New Year's Eve. And it's so cute. I like it. It's a bit big. It's definitely a bit big for me. But I definitely do like it. That goes all the way down. Damn, like your man, like he goes all the way down on me. Yes, daddy. Yeah, it's nice. It's like a nice little casual, not casual, like a nice. It's just a nice toothpiece. It's a nice two-piece. Can I get into the stuff that I bought from Asos now? Even though everything I wore, even though everything I just showed you was from Asos, but we're gonna show you the new stuff that I bought from Asos. So, yeah! I don't remember what this is, but this says is a granddad collar button dress. This is in a size 28, like I said, everything's in a size 28. 10. Oh. Oh, I feel like a pastor in the church. Today's sermon is why the hell men are trash. Can I get an amen? Hey man! Can you guys see me? Do you know what? Do you actually know what? Yeah, the actual fit of it is nice. It's just the collar bit that I actually don't like. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, it feels like I'm a preacher and I should be preaching the words. This whole colour thing, it's not worth. Maybe if I let the colour down. No, I don't like it. 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 I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's like tinsels, like Christmas tinsels. Oh my gosh. Ding 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 ding. I'm literally putting on a cardigan. And plus this is actually short for me. It's 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 actually short for me. I don't like it. I feel like a grandma. And it is itchy because of the tinsels. Oh, yep, yep. Oh, yep, yep, yep. This is, yep, yep. Oh, this is not. Oh my gosh. This is not it. I'm a genie in a bottle. You gotta rub me. Oh my gosh. Do you wanna be with me? I really like this, but this is literally the biggest size on it, and it's tight on the arms. It's tight on the arms, so yeah, it's gotta go. Oh, this dress is proper nice as well. I like it. I said I like it like that. Oh, I need $1. Yeah, like me, yeah, I got. It's not gonna wrap around. Yeah, it's not gonna wrap around. It's, oh, okay. Maybe I'm supposed to just 1-2 wrap. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know. Something's off. I don't know. 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 Dun 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 dun. Alright guys, so this, oh wow, okay, I thought this was gonna look much nicer than I expected. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is, you have my heart. Okay, I don't know what I've done. I don't know what I could. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this. I thought it was gonna look much nicer than this. I bought these, so if you can see them. Bought these like jeans, trousers with them, and I like the trousers. Might keep them because I actually do have a job interview coming up, so I need some like professional work clothes and that kind of stuff. So I actually might keep the trousers, the treggings, actually they're treggings, trousers, leggings. You guys know I don't wear jeans, nothing like that, I only wear leggings. So these are perfect for me. They feel so comfortable as well. Okay guys, so the one outfit that I really wanted, you might be able to see my bits and bobs underneath because the bodysuit doesn't even fit. The one dress that I really wanted to fit me doesn't fit, like it's not gonna zip up, and yeah. Oh, I really like this dress as well, it's so nice. Can you guys see my bum? Oh, this is literally the one dress that I wanted. This is literally the one dress that I wanted. This is literally the one dress that I wanted. But yeah guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys have enjoyed like my mini haul, whatever you guys want to call it. And hope to see you guys next time in another video. So deuces.